How to integrate an AI chatbot on website. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can implement a chat box on a website. So let's get started. So this is the website that I created, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto this website called chatbase.co. Now chatbase.co is an amazing website where you can just simply go ahead and create an account and start using it and creating a chatbot. So I've already logged in and signed up, and once you've done that, this is how it's going to look like. Over here are going to be your chatbots, but we don't have one, so let's go ahead and create a new chatbot. And over here we're going to select the type of file we want. So what this will do is this will analyze the source and get all the data that we have inputted, that we input into the source, and then answer the questions accordingly to that data. So it can be either a file, a PDF document, a text file, or a website, Q&A, and Notion if you already have one. But for this one, we already have a website. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to copy the URL, paste it over here, and click on fetch links. It's going to go ahead and analyze and get all the links that are in the website. Then you can choose whether or not which ones to have and which ones to not have. So if you want to keep some of your staff info private, then you can delete it. But if not, you can keep it. But it depends on you. Then all you have to do is just simply click on create a chat box, and it'll analyze all the links, all the questions, all the data that you have provided it, and then it's going to create a chat box. So over here, this is the chat box, and as you can see, the status is now trained. The model is the GPT 3.5 Turbo, so which means it's pretty good. And so let's go ahead and ask the question. So let's say, what are your timings? And here we go. These are the working days. So weekends are going to be this, Saturdays this, Sundays are closed. And if you look at come over here, you can find the work days. This is how it gives us the data, analyzes the website and gives us the data. So now all that's done is to implement it. Then you have the settings options. Over here you can add some settings. Over here, chat interface, you've got security. Over here you can change the initial questions, what it asks. So it can be anything. So it says, hi, what can I help you with? Over here you can change it to whatever you want. Sub. Over here it depends on you. You can add suggested method as well, timing, and over here it'll have that suggested options. You click on the question and it'll ask them. You can add placeholders, theme, whatever you want. Once that's done, you are good to go. Then what you can do is you can embed it on your website. You even have integrations if you want to add them, but it depends on you. For now, we'll embed it on the site. Let's go ahead and make it public. There you go. Chat box is now public. Now over here, to add the chat box anywhere on any website, this is the iframe HTML code. So you can copy that. To add a chat bubble to the bottom right of your website, you just need to copy this script. So we'll just copy this script. And now what we'll do is we'll come back over here and click on customize. And now all we have to do is add the code. So this is their standard builder. I didn't add the builder, so let's go ahead and add it. So for that, what we need to do is we need to click on additional CSS. So over here we'll just paste the code, and it should be good to go. We'll click on publish. So now I'm going to edit this page, and I'm going to edit with Elementor since I just downloaded it. I'll click on leave. And what I want to do is I want to add it onto this single homepage, right? So what I'll do is I'll just simply come over here and search for HTML. There we go. Now what we want to do is we want to just drag and drop it anywhere we want, right? And then we just simply paste the code. And don't worry, this won't be, seen anywhere else. It's just over here for you in the editor. And as you can see, we already have the button right here. Now all we have to do is just simply click on update. There you go. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our website, and we have the chat box right here at the bottom. If we click over here and it opens up, and there we go. That is how we do it. That is how we implement an AI chat box within your website. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.